Haya, ofisi kwao.
They will represent all of you.
Let me ask you a question. It is good because of... Excuse me, please. You're 16. Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question.
This is a petition by 16 people.
Kindly.
I came here to confirm because I've never received the results for consensus. So I'm here to get my results. So if that is the case, then I prepare myself for the next move. I also inform my people what is the way forward, because we say in a scenario where we don't get into consensus, we are going to do scientific research poll to see who is the best candidate.
Venye officials walituambia tutapata answer yetu late evening or next day. So until now hakuna mwenye anajua ni nani alipata hiyo nini consensus ama ni nani hajapata. So tuko kwa giza, na unajua as a politician huko kwa cloud imekuwa ngumu sana kujieleza kwa wananchi. So ombi langu ni mtuelezee leo hii, mtu ajue venye atajipanga cloud ama venye ataambia watu wake.
Senate aspirant from Meru County. Mine is one simple thing. The letter that we have already given, kindly give us a copy of a received of it. Simple as that.
You are creating all these problems because there's no transparency. We don't know what is happening, and that is why you make it clear to us what actually happened that we never met. We were not even told what happened. We were not even asked to come and collect. We have been coming here. I was here a week ago, all the way from Meru. You know fuel, how expensive it is. You drive, you don't get any answer. You go back, you drive again, you go back. Please clear for us what happened to single candidates, because there are many.
Where there are single candidates, we are using different criteria. And it is the prerogative of the party, not by coercion, but by mere doing what is supposed to be done. Nobody is being forced to do anything, neither is anybody being pushed over. Where we will have two candidates and no consensus, we will use opinion polls, which we have used so far.
Single candidates.
No, that's what I'm saying. For single candidates, there are different criteria being used. Yes. So basically what we are trying to do is we are streamlining some of these things. Where there are two candidates, different processes, we are using different processes. There is consensus, we are doing opinion polls, but we are not going to the ground. That is for sure. We will not be doing any nominations in the ground.
You came for consensus. We did our interviews. We have opinion polls. We are closing in on that today. We apologize because there were too many and there arose some disputes. Right? So what we're going to do is we will decide who is running in your ward, because yours is a different concern, you know, than those ones. So yours we will arrive at who is getting the certificate in your ward, so that we allow you time. If you have dispute by 22nd, we have sorted that dispute, and by 28th you have your certificate.